with breaking news. The Shreveport rapper known as Hurricane Chris is formally indicted on a charge of second-degree murder. A grand jury returned the indictment against Christopher Dooley today in connection with the death of Danzeria Ferris Jr.
He was shot several times outside of a gas station along Hearn Avenue on June 19th. Dooley's arrest affidavit claims he and Ferris exchanged words over a vehicle Dooley was driving, and that led to the alleged murder. Dooley has been out of Caddo Correctional since posting a $500,000 bond on June 21st.